Hello, scholars. It's Miss Hazel, and you are so lucky because even though we are not together in school today, you get to do fun fluency activities with me. Okay, so if you were in Woodbury last year, then you know that fluency activities are how we normally start off a lesson. So when I say we work on fluency, I mean we work on our math skills. So obviously getting better at them, right? Making them stronger. And also, a lot of times we practice the same fluency activities because we want to get not just better at something, but a little quicker, right? We want our skills to become strong. And part of being strong is also that you can do things at a pretty good speed. All right? Now, today, we might move a little slower than normal just to remind you of what we do when we do fluency. Okay, so you are going to pay attention to me because right now I am I'm the leader for the activity today, right now. And we are going to count by ones. So if we count by ones, we start with the number 1. And here's the thing though. We're not just going to do, you're like, that's too easy. Exactly. So, as long as I keep pointing up, that means we're going to keep going. So we start with 1. I point up, we keep going. 2, 3, 4. Notice how I'm trying to follow the speed of the finger. But we're not just going to have the finger going up. Sometimes the finger will go down. And if the finger goes down, then we're going backwards. So we were at 4 before. Goes down. We go backwards, so we end up at 3. All right, so watch me first. Whenever I do a fluency activity with you, I will always say go, and that's how you know how to start. Okay, we're not going to do 3, 2, 1, because that's confusing. I will always say go. Three, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. And when I do that, we stop. Okay? Good job. Now, try doing it with me. All right? So we begin with what number? 1. 3, 2, 1, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, good. So you watched me do it once. Now we did it together. This time, I am not going to count with you. The only time I'll count is when I'll say 1, okay? From here on, it's up to you. All right. 3, 2, 1, go. 1. Okay. Yes, I got a little silly at the end, sorry. Even I get a little excited when we do fun fluency. All right, good job. Now, we are going to count by 2s. And we're going to stop when we get to the number 20. So if we count by 2, then what number do we start with? twos. And we start with 2. And what would come next? 2, 3, 4. No, right? Because if we are counting by 2s, then we go up. We add 2 each time. So we go 2, 4, 6, 8, just like that, okay? Now you can use your fingers if you want as a guide. That's perfectly fine. You might see me do it because I'm so used to doing it. It's almost like a habit for me. But regardless, whatever works for you, we're starting with 2 and we're stopping at 20. What are we stopping at? Good. And what are we counting by? 2, exactly. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Good job. All right, we'll do it one more time. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Awesome. Okay, now we're going to do the same thing, but we're counting by 5s. So we start with 5 and we add what each time? How many? 5, exactly. All right, counting by 5s and we're stopping at 50. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Awesome. Going to do it one more time. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Good job. Now you might have noticed sometimes my fingers look a little weird when I do that. I did hurt myself a few years ago and it makes moving my fingers like that a little difficult. But you know what? They've gotten stronger as I've done this with you guys. So thank you. You're helping me work out not just my brain, but my fingers, and yeah, especially with going up and down like this. All right, good job. That's our fluency for today. Okay, so you're done your fluency activities for today. I want you to continue with the other parts of the lesson, all right? And I will check in with you later.